Virginia Beach. Let's go.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy.
I'll get it back for you.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Now it's time to go see my homies, the Lowriders. I guess 5-0 showed up. And why are they over here by the Lowriders? They put us at the kids' table. And they're put us at the kids' table. We should be sitting over there. So they put us at the kids' table. Kids' table.
Alright, what are we gonna have? Huh? Phineas? What are we gonna have to eat? Feeding my baby. Feeding my baby.
good to go?
I'll leave that fine.
All right. Hey, baby needs a bottle.
All right, we'll see y'all
Yeah, we'll be out
later.
there.
Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Walking out of Applebee's, man. All right. Ready? Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Here's a good boy. All right.
Even got exotic supercars here. McLaren 720.
My Lowrider's coming soon, so stick with me. You'll see.